Good everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to use the count function in Google Sheets. This tutorial will be a very straightforward, quick, and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if this is your first time, you're a beginner, or even you're just not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sheets, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Also, if you are interested in watching other tutorials such as a separate tutorial on how to do other features and functions of Google Sheets or other Google software such as Google Slides and Google Sites, we have a dedicated playlist that compiles all of those tutorials in our YouTube channel. We also have a tutorial or a how-to guide for beginners in using these Google softwares that I have mentioned earlier that supports you from the beginning. It will guide you and show you a brief introduction, let's say for example how to create basic functions, how to insert and edit data in Google Sheets, and how to create a new document, and many more. So please be sure to check it out as well on our YouTube channel. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the count function, which can be very efficient, especially if you want to count the number of datas in a single row or column. Now, before proceeding with anything else, I want you to make sure that the Google Chrome or the browser that you are using, either on Mac or on Windows like me, is currently up to date. And this is so that we can ensure that we will not encounter any errors along the process. Now, to use the count function, all you have to do is to click on equals on your keyboard and then press or type in count. And then put a closing parenthesis and then type in the first number on your range or the first cell on your range, which in my case is G2. And then a semicolon, and then the next value. So from G2 to G8, we will count all of those values, and then closing parenthesis and press equals. And now as you can see, this corresponds to the number of values right over here. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. Now let's say for example, if I change the 8 to 7, it will count only up to cell G7, and then as we press enter, the number of values will remain number 6 because it only counts these values right over here. And this works as many as you want. Let's say for example up to here, cell IE53, it will still work. Now as simple as that, we can easily count the number of values inside this row or inside this column. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.